Firstly, you will need IRFZ44N Mosfet. And 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. Now connect gate of MOSFET with middle pin of potentiometer. And drain pin of MOSFET to first pin of potentiometer with red wire. One more red wire at source pin of MOSFET. And black wire to third pin of potentiometer. And your circuit is ready. This is your output and this is your input. You can give 3 volt to 50 volt input voltage.